This is Mini from EC department at Emmanuel Arthur JJ College of Engineering. Now I will explain the topic resistors. Basically, electronic components are classified into two types, that is active and passive components. This resistor is a passive component which consumes the energy from source. What is resistor? Resistor is an electrical or electronic passive component used to limit the flow of current. This is the symbol and unit. The unit of resistor is ohm. In order to find the resistance, the formula is R equal to V by I. R represents resistor, V is the voltage and I is current. The specification of resistors are resistance value, tolerance, power rating, thermal stability. The first one is resistance value. This otherwise called as ohmic value. This resistance value decides the quantity of the current flow to be opposed. This resistance value is either printed on the surface of a resistor or by color codes. Next one, tolerance. It represents the maximum and minimum value of resistance value, which is specified in terms of percentage. Then the third one is power rating. This power rating specifies the maximum power. The unit of power is watts. The next one is thermal stability. Thermal stability is the ability of a resistor to maintain the same resistance with variation in temperature. There are three types of resistors. The first one is fixed resistors, second one variable resistors, third one tapped resistors. In fixed resistor, from the name itself we will understand it have a stable resistance value. Example, carbon film and metal film. Variable resistors, resistance can be adjusted. Example, potentiometer for volume control. Then tapped resistor, normally a resistor has two terminals. In this tapped resistor has extra terminals in between. These taps allow you to select different resistance values from the same resistor. Color coding is the process to determine the value of resistance for a resistor. A resistor is coated with four color bands where each determines a particular value. The first two colored band indicates the first and second digit of the value, and the third color band represents the multiplier number of zeros, added number of zeros. The fourth color band indicates the tolerance value. Let's look at an example to understand the color coding process. In this problem, the first value is red. The value of red is 2. The second color is again red. That value is 2. And the third color is orange. That value is 3, which represents multiplier. Then the fourth color is silver, which is 10. We can say that silver is the tolerance value. So what's the answer? 22,000 ohm, which means 22 kilo ohm. These are about resistors. Thank you.